everyone, welcome back to my channel. So just a little self-promo to start off this video. I did film my very first makeup tutorial showing you guys how I did this look. I don't know when it's gonna go up, but if it is up now, I will link it right up here. Please go watch it. I'm so excited to have this video and to be doing makeup videos now. So anyway, we're gonna jump into this resin video and I'm gonna do something I've been wanting to do for so long. So we're going to resin this phone case, and more specifically, I'm gonna do a beach wave on this phone case. And I did get a case that has a pop socket, so we're gonna do both the case and the pop socket in like a beach wave kind of way. So if you guys are interested to see how I'm gonna resin this phone case and the pop socket, then continue watching. So this is the case that I got. It is a clear case and it's one of the OtterBox and pop socket cases. This is what the packaging looked like. So it's like an OtterBox case that has a little attachment for a pop socket like built into it. So the entire case is clear, and the yellow that you're seeing is actually liquid latex that I've already painted on, and it's already dry because I wanted to be completely prepared for this video. And I have removed the pop socket off of the case so that I can do it separately. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm pretty nervous. The reason that I've never done this before, even though I've really wanted to for a long time, is because I'm nervous, I'm intimidated by this. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I have a plan that I'm hoping will work. So the phone I have is the iPhone 11 Pro and it's the rose gold one. So I figured the rose gold could look like beach sand. So that's why I got a clear case, so that when I do the wave, you'll be able to see part of the rose gold behind it and it'll look like the sand. Like I said, I did paint some liquid latex on the edges of this phone case. I think I am also gonna have to end up taping it just to make sure no resin kind of drips and goes underneath on the other side of the phone case. I did also fill in this part so that no resin could get in there because the pop socket does have to fit in there. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna mix up some thin viscosity artist resin, which is kind of a harder curing resin rather than using like casting resin, which is a little bit softer. And then I'm gonna separate that resin into 3 different cups. I'm gonna have a cup of clear resin, and then I'm gonna have a cup of the white for like the actual foamy bit of the wave. And I'm thinking of doing the wave like kind of diagonal like that, coming from the bottom. And then once we have that on, what I want to do is kind of do a beach wave on the pop socket because it's going to be right in the middle of the wave. I feel like this is pretty complicated and I'm nervous, but I think it's going to be cool. So we're going to get started. I'm probably going to end up taping the edges, also taping these edges to make sure it doesn't drip on the inside of like where the camera slot goes. And then we're going to mix up some resin, separate it into our cups, and kind of get started. So let's go. All right, you guys, so here's our case and our pop socket. I love how this came out. I was actually really nervous when I was like peeling all the tape off and all the liquid latex because some of the resin did get into like the little crevices around the case, but I was able to pull it all out and kind of like scrape it out of those crevices. The pop socket is so cute. It's so pretty. So I love this case. I think that it's super, super cute, but do you guys want to hear something super funny? You're all gonna laugh. I know I'm laughing. I think it's just really hilarious and really great. It doesn't fit my phone. When I bought the case, I could have sworn it said iPhone 11 Pro, which is what I have, but I did go grab the box and it says iPhone 11 or iPhone XR, which I don't even know what an XR is. Can we all just collectively agree that there are way too many different iPhones that are too many different sizes and that buying cases for them is super annoying? Also, I'm pretty salty about it, so that's probably contributing to this rant, but the case is really cute. I just can't use it. So I guess I'm just gonna look around for somebody who has an iPhone 11 or an iPhone XR and they're gonna get a really cute Christmas present or something. So, but I still want to show you guys some close-up shots of what this looks like on the phone because it is so cute. And like I thought, the rose gold looks like pink beach sand. It's a beautiful. I absolutely love the way it looks. I think what I'm honestly gonna do is find my actual phone case and do the exact same thing because I want this to be my phone case. So I think I'm just gonna do it again on my own and make it for me. But anyway, here's some close-up shots of us pretending that this fits my phone and what it would look like if it really was my phone case. All right, you guys, what do you guys have to let me know what you think in the comments. Please don't tell me how dumb I am. I already know. But this is super pretty and it's gonna look great on somebody else's phone, and I'm gonna make one for myself anyway, so it's all good. This tutorial still works because we still made a phone case, whether it fit my phone or not, it doesn't matter. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you guys find the right size phone case and are able to make your own phone cases like this. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys to absolute death, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. I don't know when the video is going to go up, but if it does, if it like that, and it is resining, is that a word?
I'm so sorry. I mean, it's basically like when I bought my mom her case and it was the wrong one because, yeah, but I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, and all the time to put the resin on it. And so do you need to get another one? Or, I mean, at this point, we already recorded. What's your plan?
I have no plan. I have no plan. My plan is to expose myself to you guys. My plan is honestly, I'm just telling them that I done goofed and bought the wrong case. But like, the tutorial itself is still pretty solid on how to do it. Just don't be a ding-dong like me and buy the wrong size case. Look how cute. Look how adorable that is. Oh no, it's so cute. Make sure you subscribe to my... My energy is all out of whack right now. It's just like, dude, when I took my phone, put it into this case and went, I was so devastated. It's like, I literally sat here and I was like, it's fine, it's fine. I'm just gonna throw a tape fit. Oh my God.